As an umpire, every goal is to make the right call, and calling restore was definitely the right call. I'm Pat Hoberg, professional baseball umpire.
Todd Tishner, big league umpire.
My name is Dan Bolino, and I am a professional baseball umpire. Confidence is a huge part of being a professional baseball umpire.
Confidence for sure is a big deal out there, because if the players sense weakness at all, they are going to pounce on you and make your job a lot harder. First time I saw balding was in a front page of the sports page. Was very self-conscious about it.
People just start referring to you as the bald guy. It definitely hurt my self-esteem.
I first heard about Restore through my umpire friends that have gotten it done. I came to Chicago to Restore to get it done.
Going to Restore is a no-brainer. I got this call right. Restore gave me my hair back. It's life-changing.
I don't think about anything else now except the game.
When I see myself on the Jumbotron, full head of hair, it feels really good. I have a lot more confidence now for sure. It was the best decision I've ever made.
Visit RestoreHair.com for your free consultation.